my dear CEOs and fellow hamsters. So you want to be rich? Well, sit back and grab your sunflower seeds, because I'm about to introduce you to a guy who's cashing in 7 different ways. This human's rolling faster than a hamster on a wheel, except his run got him 100 grand a week. This is about to get nuts.
It took me 10 years to learn this, but I'll teach it to you in less than 1 minute. To become rich, you need multiple income streams. I have 7 and they generate me over $100,000 per week. First is my retail store where I sell radar controlled cars, planes, helicopters and more. Second is my own brand and product range which I manufacture in China and distribute all over the world. Third is my eBay store where I buy stock from failing businesses and sell it online. Fourth is the stock market where I invest my money and let it grow over time. Fifth is my residential real estate which I rent out to families. Sixth is my commercial real estate which I rent out to other businesses. Seventh is my personal brand where I post videos online to help the next generation grow their wealth.
Over 100 grand a week? This guy's pockets are deeper than my stash of seeds. And here I am thinking I'm fancy with 2 snack bowls. I gotta step up my game. Maybe add a real estate business? Tiny homes for tiny paws coming soon. Who's with me? Got dreams of becoming a successful trader? Well, you're in luck. Today we're breaking down the basics to show you how to play the stock market game and win. We're talking stop orders, price action, and all the tricks to keep your cheese safe while you rake in the profits. Grab some snacks and join me, because we're about to turn the tables on Wall Street.
Do you believe that traders have a fair chance if they have the right education?
Okay, it's a good question. Look, if you learn the game and you understand how trading works, and you become a successful trader, you learn technical analysis, you learn price action, you learn about risk management, which means stop orders. The stock market gives you this amazing tool that can protect your downside risk. What does that mean? That means if I put 100 shares to buy at 50, I can put in what's called a stop order at 49.5, so that if the trade goes against me, I'm not going to lose. I can identify how much I'm willing to lose, and so think about it. I'm willing to lose $50 to make $200 every day of the week, but I'm not willing to risk 200 to make 50. Because if I have 1 losing trades, I need 4 winners to get even. So the rules of the game need to be identified, need to be learned by everybody. When somebody is a successful trader, they're not worrying about what the institutions are doing.
So, we just gotta learn a bunch of fancy trading terms, play the stock market, and we're golden? Sounds like a lot of work. I think I'll stick to hoarding my snacks and leave the stop orders to the humans. But hey, if it means more seeds, maybe I could learn a thing or two. Trying to make a fortune with just 1 trick? Even hamsters know it's better to stash snacks in different corners of the cage. I'm here to show you why trying out different money-making methods is the way to go, and why sticking to just one strategy might be holding you back. Ready to get inspired? Let's find your perfect money-making match.
First lesson is don't be afraid to try making money in different ways. I've made millions of dollars through half a dozen ways. And having been in the space for 10 years now, I've seen so many different things work for different people. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to force their way with one money-making method. And that's not to say that you don't need consistency and tenacity when it comes to making money. But you sometimes also need to realize that not every method will work for every person.
We got it! One way to make money isn't enough. I thought hoarding snacks in 3 different corners of my cage was overkill. But hey, I guess I still have room to improve. Guess that's why I'm the hamster and not the business mogul. Think you've got business problems? Hate to break it to you, but that's like a hamster blaming the wheel for not spinning. We're going to dig deep to see if that struggling business of yours is just a reflection of what's going on in your head. Ready to take a hard look in the mirror? Let's go.
Don't actually have business problems. You have personal problems manifesting in your business. See, a lot of the times, especially earlier on in your career, people struggle to get to the next level. And when they struggle, they look for reasons. Except there aren't really any reasons. They're just scapegoat. You know, it's funny, when I was first getting started in business, I thought that my young age had something to do with the fact that I was struggling. And then I had to have a very sobering conversation with myself and realize that it wasn't my age. That was just an excuse I was making. It was the fact that I did not understand my market well enough. I did not understand how to put together a good offer. So it's so funny because one day I woke up and I decided I am gonna take full fucking responsibility for everything that's happening in my life. And when that happened, 90 days later, I was making $15,000 a month profit at the age of 17.
You mean my business problems aren't really business problems? Well, there goes my excuse for running into walls. Guess I should have a serious talk with myself. Or at least that cute hamster staring back at me. Imagine a life where you ditch every little distraction and focus purely on success. We're talking no snacks, no naps, okay, maybe some naps. But really, what if you cleared out your cage? Time to see what a year of zero nonsense can do for you.
Lesson 4 is you need to learn to break the shackles. You need to learn how to let go of everything that's holding you back. So let's just do a simple thought experiment. What if tomorrow you got rid of everything that's not serving you? So that everything you did in your life was designed with one goal in mind: success. What would your life look like if you lived like that for just 1 month? 1 year is all it takes to turn your life around completely. But it all starts with breaking those shackles today. And that means delete TikTok off your phone forever. Never download it again, unless you're making money with it. Now, don't just stop playing video games. Sell your console. You know those bad friends you have that keep dragging you down? Cut them off. Go to your kitchen right now and just throw away all the unhealthy shit. It is that is holding you back. Let that shit go.
Delete TikTok, sell my console, and cut off bad friends? Wow, sounds intense. But hey, if that's what it takes to be a successful hamster, I guess I'll try it. For like a day. Let's just not get crazy and touch my snacks, alright? Thanks for watching, Crypto Chasers. For more insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye.